I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Litchi Milkshake at home easy method. Blend 250 g peeled litchis with 300 ml chilled milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 4 ice cubes until smooth. Strain if you prefer silky texture, then chill for 10 minutes. Serve in a tall glass with a straw and a litchi garnish. Enjoy a refreshing, lightly sweet milkshake that highlights fresh fruit and simple pantry staples. Start by adding all ingredients into your blender, keeping measurements handy for quick tweaks. Blend on high for about 45 to 60 seconds until the mixture is velvety and even. Pause to taste and add a splash more milk or a teaspoon of sugar if needed. Pour immediately into chilled glasses to keep it cold and bubbly. Garnish with a whole litchi or a mint leaf for a pretty finish. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for prepping fruit and keeping litchis fresh between uses, great for smoothie and shake prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. They save time and prevent spills, which is perfect when making multiple drinks. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For tasty twists, try almond milk to make a dairy-free litchi milkshake, or add a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an indulgent treat. A small squeeze of lemon brightens the sweetness without overpowering the fruit. If you like texture, reserve a few chopped litchis and fold them in after blending. These simple swaps let you tailor the drink to diets and cravings while keeping the core recipe quick and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.